Today is Tuesday, the 19th, 2024. Oh, excuse me, allergies are still bothering me. I just did the video on the peppercini olive marinade I had going. I know the outcome of it. You'll all have to wait till Friday to watch the video and see the taste test. Woo ha 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 ha. Yeah, I'll be dropping that video Friday. I'll probably put this one up Wednesday, maybe. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'll probably put this up Wednesday. Yeah, because I'm going to be busy painting that room Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and possibly Monday. It's got to get done because then we got to put all the other stuff back in there and go from there. At least I'm still all set for wood for the winter. I've been burning some in the fireplace downstairs, the fireplace upstairs. I should do a video of filming in there. You can see all my Christmas decorations and that. I'll probably do that maybe later. Yeah. Oh. It's warm out again today like it was yesterday. The cold weather's going to be here before we know it. Like I said, this is weird weather for November. Excuse me. Allergies yet again. All right, well. Well, you'll have a great day. Remember, not counting today, only 2 days until Friday. Please drink your water, stay hydrated. You hear that bird? He's or she is squawking during my outro. So drink plenty of water, hydrate. Really? Really? As I was saying, drink plenty of water. You want to hydrate. Oh my goodness. So drink your water, hydrate. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.